Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma, and it's class 7th Maths, and our chapter is rational number. Okay. In this chapter, we learn about rational number. What is rational number? When any number is denoted in the form of p upon q is said to be rational number, where p and q are integer and q is not equal to 0. Means if the denominator is not equal to 0, then we can say that it's a rational number. Okay, so what is the definition of rational number? When any number is written in the form of p upon q, okay, and p and q are both are integer and q is not equal to 0, that is called a rational number. Okay, understand? And we can see what is negative rational number, what is positive rational number, and how to find equivalent rational number. A rational number can be written with different numerator and denominator. मीन्स अगर हमारे पास -2/3 है तो हम उसे डिफरेंट न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर के फॉर्म में लिख करके भी उसे हम -2/3 को लिख सकते हैं -4/6. ओके, और -2/3 को वी कैन राइट इट -6/9. okay, so this way we write any rational number. okay, this is called equivalent rational number. okay, मतलब हमने क्या किया, we have multiplied same number by multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer. okay, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. This is known as, this is exactly like obtaining equivalent fraction. okay, the method is same. जो हम मेथड फ्रैक्शंस के लिए यूज़ करते थे वही मेथड हम यहाँ पर भी यूज़ करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड वी नो व्हाट इज़ पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर एंड व्हाट इज़ नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर, सो इफ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ हैव लाइक साइन मीन्स अगर if both are positive and if both are negative, then it is called positive rational number. okay, or if both have unlike sign means any one of them is negative and any one of them is positive, so we can say that it's a negative rational number. okay, understand? So it is positive rational number and negative rational number. okay, now we can see how to denote any rational number on the number line. okay, how to denote any rational number in the number line. okay, and yesterday we have learned rational number in the standard form, how to represent any rational number in the standard form. A rational number said to be in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. okay, then we can say that it's a standard form of the rational number. okay, understand? Now we can see comparison of rational number. How to compare two rational numbers. okay, so method is again same. If the denominator is different, then we can first we can LCM that and then find the which number is greater and which is less. okay, understand? So comparison of rational number we can learn, and then so student, we learn how to represent standard form of any rational number. okay, understand? And very important thing, we have learned how to compare two rational number. okay, when we compare, the case of pair of negative rational number is similar to compare two negative rational number. We compare them ignoring their negative sign. We comparing them ignoring their negative sign and then reverse the order. okay, understand? And comparison of a negative and a positive rational number is obvious. A negative rational number is to the left of 0. okay, whereas a positive rational number is to the right of the 0 on a number line. So a negative rational number will always be less than a positive rational number. Okay, understand? Now, very important topic we learned yesterday. What is the topic? See, rational number between two rational number. Okay, so we can find unlimited rational number between any two rational number. Okay, whenever you see two natural number 1 and 2, if I talk about 1 and 5 के बीच में आप कितने नेचुरल नंबर लिख सकते हैं? तो देयर इज 1 and 5 के बीच में आपके पास में कितने नेचुरल नंबर है? टोटल 2, 3, 4. ओके, टोटल 3 रेशनल नंबर आर देयर. ओके, 1 between 1 and 5. Okay, understand? But that is finite rational number, finite number of rational number. Okay, if I talk about integer, so it is also finite number. But if I talk about rational number, so there is infinite many rational number between any two rational number. Okay, understand? Yesterday we see how to find any rational number between rational number. We can find unlimited number of rational number between any two rational number. Okay, understand? So 9.1 we have seen an operation on rational number, how to add two rational number. First of all, when we talk about addition of rational number, so एडिशन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज सेम एज फ्रैक्शंस में हम फ्रैक्शंस जैसे ऐड करते हैं, दैट इज सेम वे. ओके, सो वी हैव ऐड टू रैशनल नंबर. सी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल 7/3 एंड -5/3. वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू रैशनल नंबर. सो व्हाट व्हेन वी कैन सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन सी डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ रैशनल नंबर. इफ द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज सेम, सो योर वर्क इज हाफ. ओके, आपका काम क्या हो गया? आधा हो गया. बिकॉज अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो आपको उसके डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नहीं करना है, मीन्स एलसीएम नहीं निकालना है. ओके, ओनली व्हाट यू कैन डू, ओनली आपको 3 नीचे लिखना है. 7 प्लस -5, इट बिकम्स 7 प्लस इंटू माइनस, -7 - 5 upon 3. So your answer is 2 upon 3. Okay, understand? And you can do is with number line also. Okay, understand? Now see, if the number is -7 upon 8 plus 5/8, so denominator is again same. If the denominator is same, so what can you do? 8 -7 plus 5, so your answer is 2 upon 8, but here 7 is greater than 5, so you in answer there is minus sign. Okay, and again you can see this 2 is the common factor in 2 and 8, because 2 के टेबल में 2 भी आता है और 8 भी आता है. Okay, so your answer is -1 upon 4. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, understand? So this way you have solved add two rational numbers. So we can find that while adding rational number with same denominator, we add the numerator keeping the denominator same. Okay, understand? Now if the denominator is different, okay, 7/5 -7/5 and -2/3. So again फ्रैक्शंस में हम क्या करते थे? एलसीएम निकालते थे, मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर सेम करते थे. ओके, सेम हियर. सी द क्वेश्चन. -7 upon 5 -2/3. So 5 and 3 both the denominator is different, so what we can do? LCM the denominators. Okay, so 5 and 3 का LCM क्या होगा? 15. Okay, so you can get -7 upon 5, that is -21 upon 15, and -2/3 is become -10 upon 15. Okay, so what you can get? -21 upon 15 plus -10 upon 15, both are having negative signs. So which operation is perform? ऑपरेशन ऑलवेज, अगर लाइक साइन है तो ऑपरेशन कौन सा परफॉर्म होगा? एडिशन का. बट साइन कौन सा लगेगा? जो बड़े नंबर के साथ में साइन है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो आवर आंसर इज -31 upon 15. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. एंड वेन एवर यू एड टू नंबर्स, नंबर सेम है बट साइन उनके अपोजिट हैं, मीन्स -4/7 +4/7, so your answer is always 0. Okay, so this is called additive inverse. Okay, understand. So we can say that -4/7 is a additive inverse of 4/7 and 4/7 is the additive inverse of -4/7. Okay, understand. Now how we subtract two rational number. So see how we subtract two rational number. Method is same. If the denominator is same, so simply subtract the numerator. If the denominator is different, so first of all you have to same the denominator. Okay, understand. So while subtracting two rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational number that is being subtracted to the other rational number. Okay, now how to multiply. See, एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन एंड कंपैरिजन में इफ़ द आपको डिनोमिनेटर देखना है, इफ़ द डिनोमिनेटर इज डिफरेंट, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड LCM. ओके, बट इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन यू it's no need to see the denominator. Okay, and no need to taking LCM of denominator. अगर डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है तब भी, बिकॉज इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर इंटू न्यूमरेटर. अगर आपको 2 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है तो आप 2 को 2/1 लिख सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 3 इंटू 2. न्यूमरेटर में न्यूमरेटर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा, डिनोमिनेटर में डिनोमिनेटर का. सो योर आंसर बिकम -6/5. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. So this way, so we find that while multiplying a rational number by positive integer, we multiply the numerator by the integer, by that integer, keeping the denominator unchanged. Okay, अगर हमें एक रेशनल नंबर को एक होल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, so हमें क्या करना है, न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है बट डिनोमिनेटर हमें सेम रखना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. Multiply the numerator of two rational number, multiply the denominator of two rational numbers. Okay, if both are rational numbers, see here -3/5 and 2/7. If you want to multiply two rational numbers, then what can you do? Numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. Okay, simply, and your answer, whatever your answer is you are getting, first of all you have to, अगर उसमें कॉमन फैक्टर हैं आपको दिख रहे हैं, वो किसी एक कॉमन नंबर से डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट एंड ऑलवेज राइट द आंसर इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ डिवीजन ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर, व्हाट कैन यू डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ यू वांट टू डिवाइड एनी रैशनल नंबर, सो यू हैव टू नो व्हाट इज रेसिप्रोकल. सी, or we can say multiplicative inverse. If I talk about additive inverse, so अगर मैं -2/1 का additive inverse बोलती हूँ तो additive inverse होगा उसका +2/1. ओके, मीन्स जिनको ऐड करने पर हमें क्या मिल जाए, 0 मिल जाए. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. बट व्हाट इज रेसिप्रोकल और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स ऑफ -6/11 इज, आपको डिनोमिनेटर बिकम न्यूमरेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर बिकम डिनोमिनेटर. This -6/11, reciprocal of -6/11 is 11/-6. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. एडिटिव इन्वर्स में आपको साइन चेंज करना है, नंबर सेम रहेगा, न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर ही रहेगा, डिनोमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर ही रहेगा. बट रेसिप्रोकल में न्यूमरेटर बिकम डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बिकम न्यूमरेटर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो इट्स कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल. ओके, सो if we get product of reciprocal, so we can get 1. अगर आप कोई भी दो नंबर और उसके रेसिप्रोकल का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, 1 मिलेगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. So to divide one rational number by the other non-zero rational number, we multiplied the rational number by reciprocal of the other. Okay, first of all keep in mind, अगर हमारे पास में दो रेशनल नंबर हैं जिनका हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, सपोज डिवीज़न करना है, सपोज टू रेशनल नंबर एज -6/5 divided by -2/3. So you have to learn KFC. Keep the first number, flip the sign and convert it into reciprocal. Second number it into reciprocal. Okay, keep the first number as it is, convert the sign, division become multiplication, and second number आपका क्या है -2/3. So reciprocal of this number is 3/-2. ओके, माइनस साइन से माइनस साइन कट इट डाउन हो जाएगा. 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 3 ज़ा 6. ओके, अब वो कोई कटिंग नहीं हो रही है, तो 9/5 इज़ योर आंसर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस वे यू कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन. ओके, 9.2 सी एक्सरसाइज 9.2. Find the sum. So you have to find if the denominator is same, so you have keeping the denominator same and a sum add the numerator. Okay, understand, means 5 plus minus 11, that is 5 minus 11/4. What is your first equation? 5 plus minus 11, because denominator is same. Okay, so your equation become this. Now this is with plus sign, 5 is with plus sign and 11 is with minus sign. So if there is unlike sign, so 11 minus 5 is 6, but we know that 11 is greater than 5. So 11 के साथ में कौन सा साइन है? नेगेटिव. So your answer is with negative sign. Okay, now you can easily see there is common factor 2. So your answer is -3/2. Okay, understand. So this way you have solved question number first. Now see question number second also. Okay, question third, question fourth. Okay student, so we have complete one questions. See the second one, this question, 5/63 minus -6/21. Okay, so what can you do here? 63 and 21. So we know 21 के टेबल में 63 3 टाइम्स में आता है. ओके, सो व्हाट कैन वी डू? हमें पहले डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना पड़ेगा. हियर इज 63, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 6/21. 21 को अगर हमें 63 बनाना है तो हमें 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन न्यूमरेटर में भी करना पड़ेगा, डिनोमिनेटर में भी करना पड़ेगा. सो इट बिकम 6 3 ज़ा 18. नाउ डिनोमिनेटर बिकम सेम, so you have to write denominator once and add the numerators. Okay, so this way you solve question number second. Okay student, understand. Now see fifth one. What can you do in this question? See, -2 is to 1/9. So what can you do here? It is mixed fraction. Okay, so first of all you have to convert mixed fraction into fraction. Okay, 9 2 is 18 plus 1, that is 19/9, minus 19/9 minus 6. Okay, understand. So this way you have solved question number 5. Okay, now product, how to find product of two rational number? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay, understand. And find the value of -4 divided by 2/3. -4 divided by 2/3. So keep the first number, flip the sign and reciprocal the second number. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So your answer is -2 into 3, that is -6 is your answer. Okay, understand. So this way you complete question number 4 also. Okay, understand? So in this chapter we learn so many things. A number that can be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integer and q is not equal to 0. Okay, is called a rational number. The number -2/7, 3/8, 3 etc. are rational number. Okay, all integer and fraction are rational number. If the numerator and denominator of rational number are multiplied or divided by a non-zero integer, we get a rational number which is said to be equivalent to the given rational number. Okay, understand? So -3/7, what we can write? -3/7 को अगर इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर लिखना है हमें तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं उसमें? इंटू 2 -6/14. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो -6/14 इज इक्विवेलेंट रैशनल नंबर ऑफ -3/7. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? Now rational number are classified as positive or negative rational number when the numerator and denominator both are positive integer, or it is positive rational number, and when either the numerator and denominator both are negative, then it is also called positive rational number. Okay, understand? और इफ़ वो दोनों में से कोई एक भी नेगेटिव है, सो वी कैन से दैट इट्स अ नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर. द नंबर 0 इज नाइदर अ पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो अ रेशनल नंबर इज सेड टू बी in the standard form if it is its denominator is a positive integer and numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Okay, there are unlimited number of rational number between two rational number. Okay, understand? So these are main things we learn in this chapter. So you have complete this chapter. Okay, we have completed this chapter in second time. Okay, I hope you all are completed this chapter in your notebook. एंड इट्स जेंटल रिमाइंडर, अभी मुझे ओनली 7th क्लास में ओनली 2 बच्चों ने सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी सबमिट की है. सो आप सभी लोग सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी सबमिट कर दीजिए. ओके, 15 डेट के पहले. ओके, हैव अ गुड डे.